good? IQ Investor coming to you with a bang of a video. Now to come back to y'all, we're talking about a lot of momentum when it comes down to this buy. Right now we're in a buyer's market. But before we get started into that, remember that patience is the key to winning the trades when it comes down to this forex shit. Real talk. Now, right now we're going over Gbpusd. Let's get right into it. Now, a lot of momentum, loss of momentum, still going for that buy. Still going for that buy. Now we see a loss of momentum overall. All right. This is something we do know. Now we see this pullback and we see this loss of momentum for the sale when it comes down to the daily. All right, and that's what we're looking at. A loss of seller's momentum. Now, it's a market where you see more of a triple top, triple bottom type scale when it's going up to a supply and demand zone, turn around. So right now we're looking for a major sell, but at the same time, you never know till you know. But I'm be honest, it's really set up right now. But right now we're waiting for it to pass this next supply and demand zone. But as we already know, we see this really coming down here for this next sell. Now the next move, I do believe it's either going consolidate in this area right here or have a continuation down. Depending on how everything goes, you never want to let the market tell you too much. You want to let the market talk for you rather than try to, talk for the market. So like I said before I started this video, patience is the key to winning trades, man. To my being consistent. Consistency, to have be consistent, you have to be patient. You feel me? It goes hand in hand with it. So with that being said, that's really the end of this video, y'all. It's really the end of this video. You see right now, I can talk about the candlestick patterns, but as you see right now, I see a scale down. So it's a break. So I believe it's going to go down here, have a minor pullback, maybe to here, so about here, and then drop. But at the end of the day, it could turn around. So we're going to move. I'm waiting on it to touch here and then reverse. And then we're going to see what's going to happen. It's going to have a minor pullback because this is a minor supply and demand zone. So we're going to wait for that turnaround, and then it's going to break. I mean, that's my prediction. But at the end of the day, like I always say, you never know until you know. So we're waiting on to get to the supply and demand zone when that market open. And that's the move we're waiting on, y'all. This is IQ Invested. See y'all in the next